Welcome to Nebolus' daily news update, where we'll discuss the highlights within the crypto and blockchain technology sector.
To kick things off, Bitcoin's price is still stuck in the $39,000 range as markets continue to await changes in the ongoing war in Ukraine. These are the main headlines of the day in the crypto and blockchain technology space.
The great FTX exchange announces its entry into Europe after consolidating in North America.
Gold jumps to the rescue of investors. The war in Ukraine has caused the prices of gold to rise as the demand for this precious metal continues to grow.
On the other hand, the well-known South African founder of Yearn Finance, Andre Cronje, joins forces with Anton Nel to announce their resignation from said space.
Binance launches a new platform with the aim of bridging the gap between traditional finances and the crypto world.
Also, a young boy obtains $1 million thanks to pixelated drawings of whales which turned into NFTs.
And lastly, make sure you don't miss the crypto of the week following this section. Today we are analysing waves and the reasons why as the whole market crashes it continues to rise. The mammoth exchange FTX, based in the Bahamas, announced its intention to operate in the European Union. This has become a possibility after being granted approval from financial regulators in Cyprus.
According to a statement published by the company, they'll be offering their services to European clients through an authorised investment firm, with licenses which would enable them to carry out all activities within the European Union. The new site will be located in Switzerland.
FTX is looking to break into the European market after having found its niche in North American society, where they have invested millions to be the official sponsors of the Major League Baseball and have even renamed the Miami Heat Stadium to the FTX Arena.
Over the last few days, the price of gold has continued to rise. Investors flee from risk assets and opt for safer and more stable options. Its high demand evidently is pushing the price upwards.
The uncertainty of markets, brought on in part by the economic sanctions against Vladimir Putin's regime, have pushed investors to shelter their cash in gold. This has made the price shoot up over 12% since the past 28th of January, overcoming the $2,000 per ounce mark.
Another of the reasons behind this jump is that the President of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, recently announced his decision to increase interest rates in the month of March. Since being announced, investors foresee a potential drop in the stock market once the interest rates are implemented.
Andre Cronje, revered by many in the DeFi space, announces via a tweet that, along with his colleague Anton Nel, the senior solutions architect behind Yearn Finance, will be leaving the industry definitively. Andre, best known for Yearn Finance, which allows users to optimize their cryptocurrency earnings through a lending and trading service, and Phantom, a smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets.
The impact that this news has had on cryptocurrencies related to those DeFi projects is dismal. The main two platforms, Yearn Finance and Phantom, have dropped by 13% and 15% respectively, while the internet sensation's most recent creation, Solidly, launched last week, has dropped by 65%.
Andre Cronje has decided to officially leave his projects this 3rd of April.
Binance created Befinity with the aim of connecting traditional finances with emerging blockchains and world leaders, transforming the way in which businesses and individuals send and receive money around the world. It accepts more than 50 cryptocurrencies similar to popular payment platforms such as Visa.
Although the start of the platform is off to a great start, it has decided to partner with various other institutions to get the ball rolling. One of said companies is Equinix, a colossal cryptocurrency exchange that is listed on the Nasdaq, making it the perfect collaborator to further Befinity's goals.
This strategic partnership is backed by a loan worth $36 million, which will be used to jointly expand the company's product line, including Equinix's crypto custody solution, DigiVault. In change, the company will be given several rights within said business, such as naming the CEO.
The entry age of the CEO of the crypto and the NFT space is growing younger and younger. In this case, 12-year-old Benjamin Ahmed from the UK has become a millionaire selling his first collection of NFTs. The young Brit learned to code when he was just 5 years old, and despite the success of his first project, claims that this was simply a way to learn more about the industry.
The collection, based on pixelated whale drawings, sold out in a matter of hours. Its initial value was of £110,000, which, combined with the hike of Ethereum, the coin which was used to make payments, along with the investments carried out, has triggered a sharp increase in the figure, reaching £750,000, which touches $1 million when converted.
The British genius's popularity has allowed him to give a lecture surrounding NFTs and crypto art in the prestigious University of Oxford, despite his young age.
With Benjamin Ahmed's story, we bring this section to an end. Visit Nebolus.com to stay up to date with crypto and blockchain technology.
We'll leave you with our next segment, Crypto of the Week, where we'll analyse waves and how, despite the uncertainty in the market, it continues to rise.
Tomorrow, more information and analysis here on Nebulus's Daily News Update.
Until tomorrow.
The Waves cryptocurrency is taking its own course. The market is dropping, but the recent news around their advancements has led to a price increase. In Waves' weekly chart, we can see that since September 2021, it has pushed back until reaching the bottom parts located at 0.78 Fibonacci. We're talking about a fall of 78% approximately, where a small accumulation phase has been created. The price has been leaning on the $9 zone, with candlesticks that have drawn big wicks on the lower parts, presenting buying interest. And the week of February 21st to 27th, it attempted to break the resistance located in the $12 zone approximately. The following week, the upward movement was considerably strong. As of now, the green engulfing candlestick continued to draw an upward movement. In fact, over the last 3 weeks, there's been a recovery of 194%. In the daily timeframe, we can see a parallel channel created on January 19th, in which the price has been bouncing between the really evident support and resistance zone. The extension of 0.78 is found in the resistance. Eventually, the price broke the massive input volume, reaching 0.61 Fibonacci. Following a small consolidation phase, the price once again broke the upside and crossed 0.50 Fibonacci, and today it's continuing to rise. If we carry out a price projection, we can see how it reaches 0.78 Fibonacci and how it clearly displays an uptrend. If we deploy the moving averages, we can observe a trend reversal. As we can see, the moving averages were found above the price and in an orderly way. Following the accumulation phase, the price crossed all the moving averages, after which the 20 and 100 period moving averages crossed each other. When the order of the averages will go from smallest to largest, 20, 50, 100 and 200, the trend reversal will be confirmed. Now we'll look at the performance around cryptocurrencies over the last few days, and we'll analyse the reasons behind this great jump. Over the last 7 days, it has managed to rise by 41%, something very significant if we take into account that the market is currently found in a corrective phase. In addition, as we can see in the Fear and Greed Index of the crypto sector, we can see that the market is still experiencing extreme fear, something that Waves doesn't seem to be affected by. And here's some news updates which could explain why this cryptocurrency has soared over the last few weeks. Firstly, the migration of Waves 1.0 and Waves 2.0. The announcement of this reveals that the consensus protocol will become the practical proof of stake sharding, which will also be compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. The aim is to make the protocol safer and more efficient. In addition, it will implement a new government model, creating bridges of gravity. What are these bridges? Tools designed to enable users to access any assets or applications found on any blockchain, which is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. In other words, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum. On the other hand, it is creating an inter-metaverse protocol. What's the purpose of this? to offer tools to create connected metaverses which share an economy as well as identity. In addition, Waves recently announced its partnership with Allbridge, a protocol which enables the transfer of assets between all blockchain networks. Through this collaboration, Waves looks to be more interoperable with different blockchains. Logically, this news also impacted the cryptocurrency's price. Another relevant update is that of the fund creation. A few weeks ago, Waves Network announced the creation of a $150 million fund, which would go towards an incubator in the United States. The purpose of this, to grow the Waves ecosystem. In short, while the market remains in a correction phase as a result of the Ukraine war, high inflation and the fear generated amongst investors, the Waves network dodges the fall and even shoots up. This rise coincides with its protocol update, an important partnership as well as an incubation and innovation project.